Well, we're going to do a video in the dark. This is the ring. Now, I wasn't going to go for this, to be honest with you. But a friend of mine has one. Well, actually, it's Tom, the past commander. If I can figure out how to get in the box. Hello. Come on. Can't be that difficult. Anyway, I had noticed when he was... I'm going to destroy this box in just a minute. I noticed... I can't see the tape, that's the problem. It's dark in here because the power's not on yet. So anyway, as I was saying, there you go. He has one. And if somebody, he can set the distance on it. Now see, I've read reviews on these when they first came out. And the reviews weren't too good. Not that it wasn't good as far as the working, but they were saying that if somebody was to ring the bell, it can take up to a minute before the camera actually recognizes them. And if you're buying it for that reason, well, that's a long time. But now, Tom picked one up a couple months ago, and it works fine for him. Now, every now and then, he says he does lose connection. But I'm thinking that might be a power issue. Now, if it's a power issue, it's a little too sensitive, that could be an issue. Because the only way to reset it, the way I understand it, is to take it off the wall and put it back on again after you hit the reset button. Right here. So, oh boy, reset. It's going to start looking for something that isn't here. So, the thing is, if you're using it, and let's just say, hypothetically, I was out of town. Diode. I wonder why he gave us a diode. Anyway, we'll find out. If I was out of town and I wanted to use it as some type of security camera, and the thing decided to lose connection, well, you know what? What do I do? Because if I'm not home, how the hell am I going to take care of it? You follow? So that could be a problem. Now, meanwhile, I'm also taking a lunch break in the dark because I got meatball and hot sausage on a roll. So this is the actual plate. Now this hooks up to the two wires on your doorbell. Needs at least 16 volts. And most of them are always 16 volts, so we shouldn't have a problem with that. And we got this. It even comes with a little level, so you can make sure that everything is level when you're installing it. Da-da-da. Whoop, where am I? Alright. Comes with the USB. I guess that is for the initial hookup. I will have to read it to find out. It comes with a drill bit for the size that you need to put in your little anchors, and it comes with a torque and a Phillips. So there's a reason why you have both here. We'll have to figure that out. These look like Phillips. Are they all Phillips? Yeah. Are these Phillips? Yeah. So why it came with a torque? A torque? Maybe it's not a torque. I'm just not seeing it. Maybe it's a little screwdriver. No, it's a torque because it doesn't fit that either. So, yeah, it's a torque, all right. Or is it? I can't tell what the hell it is in the dark. Anyway, I ordered one. Now they have two of them. They have this one, which is the original. Which I seen how it looks on Tom's phone. And it looks fine. And if you're within 30 feet, you can zoom in and it's not an issue at all. They do make the 1080 high def, which is about $50 more. And if you're looking for, zoom up from a distance, well, that's what you want. But I don't need that. So instead of sitting here eating in front of you guys being rude, I am going to stop. Here we are, another nice day. As you can tell, it's coming your way, Matt. Anyway, as I was saying, it's another nice day. It is April 11th. No, let me see. What's today? I gotta check my phone. I'm thinking today was Wednesday, but it's not. I think it's really Tuesday. It's right. It's April 11th. It's Tuesday, April 11th, 2017. And I'm out in my garage in the dark. Well, not total dark. This garage has two systems in it. One is the original system, which I've got a cord plugged into. So I have this little light back here. And then the system that I put in originally, back about 10 years ago, that's right now all disconnected. Now, even with all that being disconnected, right now the only thing here connected is the original system. I'm having my breakfast, by the way, guys. Sorry. Now, even with the original system, I have a problem. Now, with the original system, let me come back to you when I'm done eating.